Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for all the latest news and updates.
Hello, welcome. This is Oneindia News and I am Akash. The verdict is out and Talwars have been acquitted of all the charges in the Aarushi-Hemraj murder case. Dr. Rajesh and Nupur Talwar, the parents of Aarushi, were acquitted by the Allahabad High Court. While for the Talwars, justice may have been done, the same continues to evade the deceased. And it has now become the case of nobody killed Aarushi. Since day one, there are several questions that remained unanswered. How were the two killed and whether they were killed with a khurki? Whether they were hit with a golf club or their throats were slit with a sharp object. Who killed them was the most important question. The prosecution maintained that it was a case of honor killing, while the defense maintained that the Talwars were innocent. The post-mortem report and the testimony of the doctor who conducted the autopsy was conflicting in nature, while a witness in the case turned hostile and the other changed his testimony. All crucial evidence was lost thanks to errors by the forensic laboratory. During the early days of the hearing before the court, the CBI was unable to trace the witnesses. The driver, Umesh Sharma, had said in the court that he had signed his statement out of fear. Sharma, one of the prosecution's witnesses, said that he had taken out 2 golf clubs from Rajesh Talwar's car and kept it in the room of Hemraj a few months before the murder. The CBI took over the case in 2008. The agency arrested Rajesh on May 23, 2008, but he was later released on bail in July after the CBI said that there was no evidence against him. However, the case took another U-turn when the second CBI team replaced the first one in 2009. In December 2009, the CBI filed a closure report stating that the findings of the investigation reveal a number of circumstances that indicates that the involvement of the parents in the crime and the cover-up. The trial court rejected the report and asked them to reopen the investigation. Although the bone of the contention has been the murder weapon, the first CBI team said that it was Krishna's khurki that was used for the murder. A 2008 report by a specialist committee has said that the khurki could have been the weapon. However, the doctor who prepared the report changed his testimony and said that the body bore V-shaped wounds that could have been made from a golf club. Another disclosure that led to the confusion was the testimony of KK Gautam, a retired UP police officer. He told the court that the first CBI team has attributed to him observations he had not made and left out vital information. The first CBI team said Gautam had noticed depressions on Hemraj's bed that suggested that 3 people might have sat on it. The CBI said that he had mentioned seeing 3 glasses on the floor and the washroom was dirty, as if several people have used it. Another witness in the case was Bharti Mandal, who had joined the Talwar household a week before the murder. She said that the main door of the house was not locked from the outside. This led to the CBI's theory that it was an inside job. However, she later suggested that her response has been tortured. The other mystery was the purple pillow cover that belonged to Krishna. The Center for DNA, Fingerprinting and Diagnosis has said in 2008 that Hemraj's blood was found on it. In February 2011, this was brought up before the Allahabad High Court. Later, the CBI said orally in the court that Krishna's pillow cover had got exchanged with Hemraj's. Later, the CDFD said a typographical error had occurred and the pillowcases had been exchanged. Going by all this, one can say that it is one of the mysterious and the twisted cases the country has witnessed. The Talwars may have got justice, but the fact is, no one killed Aarushi. Well, that's all for now, but for more news and updates, log on to oneindia.com and please don't forget to like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Oneindia News channel.